The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a flash flood warning for central Curry County and east central New Mexico until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1.5 inches in 0.5 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. These storms are moving over areas that already received several inches of rainfall the previous night and where flood waters have not receded from that event. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Clovis, Broadview, Bellevue, and Pleasant Hill. Impacted roads include State Roads 288 and 209. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Curry, New Mexico,